Welcome to my puppy press tutorial. I'm going to show you the puppy press in 3 different inversions. First, our headstand, but with blocks underneath your shoulders for support, and pincha, and then handstand. To start, grab 2 blocks. You want to place the blocks shoulder width apart. Hands are slightly wider than the blocks. Place your shoulders down, then your head comes down. Push into the mat with your hands as you lift the hips, walk your feet out and up. You want to try to get your hips as high as you can. Feet are really wide in a wide straddle. Lift and bend one leg, push into the mat as you lift and roll the hip up. Use your core to help lift that hip up and back. Try the other side. Bend the other leg. Roll the hip up using your core. Push into the mat with your hands as well. Lift that leg. Roll it down. Now let's try in pincha. I find with puppy press, or really in any presses, the hip rotation is one of the more important aspects of the press. For me, at least, it was. Okay, pincha. Place your hands shoulder width apart. When you press, if your hands start to come together, it's completely fine, as long as you're not sinking your shoulders down. Okay, lift your hips, walk your feet out wide. Make sure your hips are really high and you're not sinking down. Pushing through the shoulders to make sure you're not sinking. Lift the leg and notice I'm lifting out to the side, rolling that hip up and over. Straddle out the legs. Now, place your feet down and try the other side. Walk your feet in, lift the other leg, engage your core, roll that hip up and over. Straighten the other leg out to straddle. And roll it down. It's a great way to work that negative by rolling everything down or rolling the hips down. Now, let's try and handstand. Same concept, except for now, might be just a little harder because you have to have a bit of flexibility to be able to roll, to walk your feet out wide and roll your hips up. All right, here we go. Feet out wide. Come onto your toes with the standing leg. Lift the other leg out to the side. Push into the mat. And again, or I do fall out still, not again. All right, here we go. Come onto the toes with one leg. Bend the other leg. Push into the hand. Roll the hips up and over. Roll it down because we want to practice our negatives while we're at it. Let's try the other side. Come onto the toes, bend the other leg, roll the hips up and over, straddle out. And roll it down.